The guys, and here, but
London, Ohio for the show.
Okay, so welcome everybody. We've got Mike here all the way from Missouri. So just so you know, he drove this car from Missouri, the Show Me State, right? Still the Show Me State?
Yep.
So this car made it all. How many miles was this?
It's going to be about 2,000.
About 2,000 miles. So Glenn still holds the record, but he's Mike's right behind him. So pretty cool. We're going to Alice's here and get something to eat. Oh, any great experiences on this trip out west?
I'm not going there, dude.
We don't want to hear about you stopping off at any of the places in Nevada, anything like that. But I saw the one video of the gas pouring out the rear cap, which that blows me away. That stuff was gushing out of the back.
Yeah, fuel boil in eastern Colorado.
Oh, okay.
It's not fun.
So before you even got to the Rockies?
Yep, just altitude and probably some ethanol in the fuel, and
out it went.
Higher than normal temps.
Yeah.
And out it poured. We got that fixed after we wrapped the exhaust and opened up the side exhaust.
And then your average
spirited drive and
good
Nevada.
To go. So yeah, so you're Nevada. Tell me, so how do we cruise the speed limit the entire way through Nevada?
Had a spirited drive, cruising the speed limit. Not one hiccup along the way.
Gas mileage, you said you're topping out 23, 24, averaging what, 20 you think on the way out here?
When you behave yourself, easy 20.
Yeah. Not bad. Not
it's
bad
a dual
for
fuel vehicle. It burns petroleum and rubber. So.
I like that. So there's no batteries in there. You don't charge it up every night. Okay,
it is
good.
A dual fuel.
Good. Good. Well, we appreciate you coming out here to California. This will be up on my YouTube channel hopefully the next couple of days. By the time you get home, I'll send you the link. Right. Beautiful. We got the three. As I said, the one came all the way from Missouri. Cool car. He's also done the Cannonball Run, New York to California in this thing. He's got 30,000 miles on. It gets driven hard. I'll show you the exhaust system because the exhaust is badass. So we're here looking at Dave's again.
Suit, I can put a cooler in the back full of water. Circulates through your shirt kind of thing. Traffic. So that's my AC.
Okay, so Mike, you want me to pop this one over here?
Yep.
So Mike is now popping his hood. As you can see, Mike has got the coolest exhaust system. So he comes here and then it branches off here and goes underneath the car, and then he's got here with usual cutouts, which he's blocked off for the trip just because it was too loud. And so then with the flip of a switch, he can go either or. It's a pretty awesome design, and I gotta admit, I give him kudos for that. Did you weld that system up yourself?
Mark Daugherty did it.
Oh, did he?
Yeah,
okay.
He dropped the floor and did the exhaust.
Okay.
And then he ultimately ended up, I brought him in after I had it all put together and picked him up at the airport. He said, "Where are you? What you doing?" And we went backwards from there.
I think, didn't he do Glenn's exhaust too?
Yeah. He's just a few miles from Glenn's place.
See, this is the benefit of having a Gen 1 or 2 is you can do that. Ours, you can't do it.
There might be room to do it. Well, I don't know where you put the pipes though.
That's the problem.
Yes.
You can't.
The pipes can't tuck up.
And if you stuck them up near your tranny, then you're going to start overheating out on the track, and it's just not going to happen. So.
And once he got into it, we just went crazy.
Went crazy with the car.
So you have
He has put more time and energy into it than.
So how many miles you have on this? I'm putting all this up on my channel. So
right
you're
at 34, almost 35 now.
35,000. So this thing is, it's been driven hard all over the country, and he just went from Missouri out here. Now they're heading up to Seattle, right?
Yep.
So now he's driving it to Seattle.
There, I'll leave it for a bit.
He says that actually the AC works so good, sometimes they have to put a jacket on when it's 110 off. Okay, so that's a lie. He says you still sweat a lot.
It's a sweatshirt, not a jacket. The mask
doesn't get much cooler than this, people. This is just badass. Of course, there's two cars here. The hood sticks up a little higher and a little longer, bigger than the other one. And you know, Dave,
mine doesn't kick
yours
forward
just
far
doesn't
enough.
go up like it used to.
Sorry.
So we've got Dave's 302 crate motor Ford. We've got my Gen 3 Coyote. And we got Mike's 331. Yeah, this was worth. Out here at Alice's. Very cool. Okay, so we finally got a car to move here, so we got some space to look at these things, and 3 of the coolest cars on the planet, bar none. Yeah, sorry all you Porsche fans out there. These are way cooler than any Porsche. Hopefully there's not a Porsche owner around here. Or Corvette. Sorry, Corvette fans. Thanks for watching, everybody. I just want to give a huge shout out to Mike and his son Jack. Thank you for coming down to Alice's. It was a pleasure to meet you guys. A couple of good people. You know, I guess everybody has a Type 65 or a Daytona Coupe are good people, because I've yet to meet one I don't like. Isn't that crazy? Yeah, it's just kind of nuts. But thank you again. We enjoyed it. I know it was way out of your way, and I know it was kind of a hassle to get down the coast from Napa, but we truly appreciate it. So stay tuned to my next video, because while I was at Alice's, I did a little comparison between the Gen 1, which I think is about the same as the Gen 2, and the Gen 3. Some striking differences. I was actually shocked at once I really started looking close at some of the body angles, things like that. I'm not going to get into the chassis, strictly going to go into the body differences. So stay tuned for the next video. But thanks for watching this video. And again, Mike, Jack, thank you very much. And everybody hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.